Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 26. How to promote affiliate offers with Versus method. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with the Versus method, step by step. So let's get started. So here we are on bigspy.com, and that is Ad Spy tool. Another is Ad Spy, that keeps top advertisers innovating and holds social media organizations to account for their content. On Big Spy we can see its full details, and here it says the must-have for every team. Below we have more features like multi-platforms, big ad database, powerful search, featured ads, people tracked, my tracked, and you can see more features from here. On Ad Spy, here it says what Ad Spy can do for you, all features with a Get Started button. Then we have more details and then more Ad Spy features. Back on WordPress, select Posts and from here Add New. Now enter the title of the post is Big Spy versus Ad Spy. Now go to Google and enter the title of the post for more suggestions. Back to the article, let's add comparison in the title. Now go to Big Spy and from here you can take content for your article. Similarly, you can do it on Ad Spy. Write a detailed article. Here we have included screenshots of the website, with introduction, benefits, features, and cost. For the cost, go to Big Spy, and below you can see their pricing options, or you can go to the pricing tab on top. It will take you to their pricing page, and here you can see their prices and plans. You need to add these details to your article. After that, insert your Big Spy affiliate link here. You can customize its size and font as well. Next is Ad Spy. Again, for this go to adspy.com and extract content from here for features, benefits, and cost. After that, you need to insert your Ad Spy affiliate link here. So this is how you can write your Versus article to promote affiliate offers, and here it shows our word count is 1002. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 27. What plugins should you install for your review model site? In that video, we will take a look at what plugins should you install for your review model site, step by step. See you in the next tutorial. Welcome to the If Income Training Kit Chapter 25. How to promote affiliate offers with alternatives post. In this video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with alternatives post, step by step. So let's get started. So on Google, let's search for Powtoon alternatives, and here you can see suggestions for this keyword. Let's search for best Powtoon alternatives, which is the heading of our article. This is the article and the heading is Powtoon alternatives. Top 5 of the best Powtoon alternatives. Let's change it to 5 best Powtoon alternatives. Below we have listed all 5 alternatives with benefits, features, and cost. And here you can insert your affiliate link on this. Click here to learn more text for Animaker. Next is Movely. Here we also have introduction, benefits, features, cost with the affiliate link. Same for Video Scribe, then Explaindio and Doodly. So on Google, let's search for best Powtoon alternatives. Let's open a few links from here. On the first site, here we can see a list of all the alternatives with affiliate links embedded. Here we also have backlinks as well as this visit website link which has affiliate link embedded in it. Next site is Alternative 2, and here also you can see all the alternatives with affiliate links. On Next, first, we have Powtoon, then below a list of all alternatives. We can see all details by clicking on the Show Details button. Here first we have this main product, then again below we have all its alternatives. Back to our article. Once we are done with the content, insert your affiliate links. On Google, let's search for Doodly alternatives, and again you will get similar results for your article. So this is how you can promote your affiliate offers with alternatives post. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 26. How to promote affiliate offers with Versus method. In that video, we will take a look at how to promote affiliate offers with the Versus method, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.